All right, number 3. So when you turn the page from your music theory and your staccato and legato exercise, you're going to be looking at the beginning of Unit 6. We're going to talk about eighth notes. Eighth notes is they're a new note to count, and they're faster than quarter notes because quarter notes have that steady beat that we count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use my metronome, if you can hear it, to represent my quarter note beat. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. If I play eighth notes along with that, I'm going to count them with an and in between. Each eighth note gets half a beat. So this is an eighth note by itself. You're not going to see eighth notes by themselves, at least at first, but it's good to know that it looks different when it's by itself than it does when it's with a second eighth note, because they're beamed together. So if I'm going to do 2 beats, 1, 2, with a quarter note, I'm just going to play on the beat. But if I have eighth notes, I'm going to play them like this. I'm going to play 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and of course, as they keep going, like in this first exercise, it keeps going. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Notice I keep counting. Turn him off for a second. I keep counting the ands even when I'm counting quarter notes. I'm playing the eighth notes on each 1 and 2 and 3 and, but then when I get to the quarter notes, I play on the 1, 2, 3, but I keep counting 1 and 2 and 3 and, so that I can make sure that I'm playing my eighth notes the right speed and my quarter notes the right speed. A lot of people want to just count 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, and you can do that, but at least at first, a lot of students tend to speed up when they get here because they don't have that 1 and 2 and 3 and to keep them on track. Same thing here with this dotted half note. 1 and 2 and 3 and I'm just holding it. 1 and 2 and 3 and. But if you have eighth notes, then you want to be counting those ands so that everything is played the same in the right speed. So review this page, read over anything, and ask any questions. And I want you to post a video of yourself picking a note. Let's do right hand for this one, for 3-4, the 3-4 time one. Right hand, pick any note, high, low, black key, white key, whatever you want, and just play that same note on this rhythm. Okay, show me that you can do that. And then left hand for the 4-4 rhythm, same thing. Pick a note, any note, and just play it on this rhythm. Okay, and you don't have to count out loud in your video, but if you need to count out loud when you're practicing it, that's fine. This is something you can practice. And then if you have a metronome, or a way to know, you can always just look up a metronome on your phone and see if you can play them at these speeds. Notice the tempo they're giving you here in the numbers. When it's lower, and when it's higher, it's faster. Then what they're giving you is a quarter note. So if my metronome is set for 72, for example, no way, it's actually set for 72. I did not plan that. Okay. So that's 72. This is your starting one. Okay, so I'm going to try the first. Just going to do the first 2 measures. 72 is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and with the metronome. So keep that in mind. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, you can ask a question. Put it in the comments. That sort of thing. If you've done all of this and you just really want to keep going, you may go on to the next song, French Minuet, but you don't have to, because this is a lot to practice with shepherd's song, learning eighth notes, and then also the staccato exercise and doing your theory. So if you get through all of that and you do want to do more, that's fine, but if not, this is a good stopping point.